Hello everyone, welcome to our sunrise video. I think today I will introduce this park because every day I do the daily routine exercise this car. Here have the beautiful scenery, and then we can see our background. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So I think that free introduce today have some surprise. I think so. Around 6 a.m. I found an unknown bird to eat something, foraging, and then I take the video later and show you that you are to do today surprise bonus. So I think even we have retired living, but we have to do something. Not only eat, only sleep. We have to something. Even no pay, we still living. That's the key point. I think so. We have to let our life so colorful, right? And then we have to let our body healthy. So I do the exercise mornings every day. Another thing I do make the video. I feel just let me have something to do. Not the boring day. I think that's not you want to do. And let's give me a chance to subscribe this video. Thank you for watching. Early in the morning, I found an unknown bird and followed it. Keep following it as a friend of people and run so fast. Slowly approaching, been for a long time, finally entering the water. The foraging show began. Thank you for watching. It is not easy to make this video. Please remember to subscribe and thumbs up. Hi, every classmates. Why I say classmates? Because I think as many audiences see me as our generation, like this style. I feel it's a good feeling today because I bought a new equipment as a wireless microphone. I feel that will make our video the quality as perform excellence. And then today I feel another thing is because I am a beginner, so our audience maybe is small. I hope to is a grow up became a bigger than after is the biggest. That's my dream. Everyone think that dream come true. I hope you let me dream come true. So today bonus is I sing a song that is faded. Faded is not easy, right? Because faded if you hide your heart, you hold another year, you feel just like my feeling. I hope the audience is more and more. So this song is represents my feeling at the moment. So I think our audience just appreciate these songs faded. You are a shadow to my right, you feel us, another star. You fade away, fade out and be out of sight. Wanna see us.
alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Why are my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only in January? Where are you now? Enter the sea, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The mother only one inside me. I'm fading. I'm fading. Sorrows, I'm fading. I'm fading. Sorrows, I'm fading. The shadow water than my man, what I needed. I'm letting go a deeper dive, enter no silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now?
Thank you, you are listening. I sing this song. I hope our audience, the number is close. Don't hide on the sea. Where are you now? Where our audience? Yes, I hope you will show up. Last one, I fear you have a good night. Have a nice dreams. Okay, thank you. You're watching. Thank you for watching. We wish you good health